the top 10 best careers with the most job security. And the number one best career is nurse practitioner.
Did you get all those right? It's easy to see why surveys say a profession in healthcare or health science is one of the most in-demand career pathways you can take. Whether you're in a medical setting or in a supporting role, healthcare workers are always needed, even in hard economic times. They're recession-proof. And you can make a pretty good living too. But remember, a career is more than just about chasing a paycheck. In the best case, the work will also feel like a good fit for you. So in this video, we're going to take the pulse of the healthcare sector and see if it gets your heart pumping. I promise there won't be any more puns. I actually can't promise that. Hello, and welcome to Talking Jobs. I'm Mary Williams, your host, and today also your primary career provider. This is the first in a series of videos where we're talking about all things healthcare. If you want to be successful in this industry, it's smart to keep your goals in line with the ever-changing healthcare landscape. This means you understand the current and future needs of the industry. So let's check its vitals. For real, currently in 2024, the U.S. healthcare industry is facing some pretty demanding conditions, including a big labor shortage, specifically in rural communities and communities of color. That talent shortage isn't the sign of a weak industry. However, it's more like a worker pipeline problem. Today, however, the training pathways for clinical jobs are more streamlined than ever before, making that current shortage actually a big opportunity for our generation tomorrow. Technological advances are driving current trends in healthcare, and health science companies are helping to drive those innovations. Patients and professionals are finding new ways to receive and deliver healthcare. Traditional in-person service is being supplemented with high-quality alternatives like virtual care and telemedicine. Meanwhile, advances in sophisticated wearables, personalized medicine, immersive technologies, and robotic surgery are also helping to redefine what services can be offered to patients and how they are provided. Virtual reality and augmented reality are really changing the way we experience healthcare. These technologies are being used to improve medical training, patient care, and mental health treatment. One area that is experiencing a big impact is medical education. Textbooks, seminars, and cadaver training are the traditional educational components. But now, immersive technologies can provide a more realistic experience for medical students. VR can also be used to simulate surgeries, giving students the opportunity to fine-tune their skills for operating on real patients. This guarantees the finest possible patient care. VR can also be used by patients to relieve anxiety during medical procedures, and AR can help clinicians see a patient's anatomy and diagnose accordingly. See, it's not my fault, it's genetic. With the increased usage of artificial intelligence in pharmaceuticals, there is also a growing demand for personalized medicine. Advancements in data analysis are providing new insights into how the human body responds to drugs. Coupled with the shift in how illnesses are treated, the focus is now on curing diseases rather than managing them. Curative therapies have the potential to dramatically improve the lives of patients struggling with long-term conditions. Speaking of which, did you know gene and cell therapy are major drivers of the life science and biotech industry in Ohio? Silicon Valley continues moving to the Ohio Valley, bringing biomanufacturing to the region. Because of this, these technicians are in high demand. According to Jobs Ohio, Ohio's healthcare industry consists of more than 4,200 bioscience companies, with a growing talent pool of 87,000 bioscience employees, excluding healthcare providers who number in the hundreds of thousands. For you career seekers, that just means it's even more ways to find your niche, a menu of options, if you will. So there's a lot to consider. There are all kinds of jobs with many different levels of required education and training, which also means different starting points and therefore different costs to get started. We'll make sense of the dollars and jump into more specific careers in the next few videos. In the meantime, try to check out the latest trends in healthcare and the life science fields to get some career inspiration for how you can help yourself while helping others. Oh wow, this new surgical trainer is pretty cool. Just gotta cut there and clamp that. Oh no, I hope she didn't need that.